Kate, the Duchess of Cambridge could launch a reform campaign within the royal family to overhaul a series of outdated rules preventing her from spending time with her children, a royal insider has claimed. Kate, the Duchess of Cambridge has been taking on an increasing number of roles and duties as she becomes more confident with the position she holds within the royal family. Her faith in her abilities could leave the royal in a spot where she can push for significant changes to the royal system, according to a royal insider. Clever News' Emil Ennis Jr. said, Kate Middleton has been Queen Consort in training for quite some time now. But before she officially takes the crown, she's got a few outdated ground rules that she is determined to reform. Kate Middleton and royals go together like tea and crumpets. A source revealed to Us Weekly that Kate has flourished into a queen-in-waiting in front of everyone's eyes and that the royal family could not be more pleased. However, while awaiting Prince William to finally take charge, it seems Kate has some major changes in store. The source said Kate may change some of the outdated royal rules when she becomes Queen Consort, and plans to meet with more members of the public at royal engagements. The royal insider also went on to say Kate has been very present on social media and has gotten comfortable in doing interviews and virtual chats. She's keen to continue that in the future as well.